Hey, welcome. We're going to break down how to keep your automated systems safe from cyber threats. So, let's start with a big question. What if a hacker could take control of your robots? Automation is a huge deal for businesses, driving growth and making things way more efficient. But all that cool tech also brings new, kind of hidden cybersecurity risks along for the ride. So, how do you defend these super important assets? The answer is robot penetration testing. So what is it? Think of it like a fire drill, a simulated cyber attack to find security weaknesses. You're basically hiring an ethical hacker to test all your digital locks and find the weak spots first. So, what exactly are these testers looking for? Well, they hunt for common, often overlooked vulnerabilities. Stuff like insecure networks, outdated software, even a simple, weak password can leave you wide open. All right, so how does this whole process actually work? Let's walk through it step by step. It's a clear four-phase process. They gather info, scan for openings, safely try to breach, then report everything. And look, the goal here isn't just to point out problems. It's really about empowering your team. You're fixing risks before an attack happens, protecting your operations, and securing your most valuable data. So the takeaway is simple. Securing your automation isn't optional anymore. It's absolutely critical for survival. So we'll leave you with this one final thought. It's a question every leader should be asking.